3:30 a.m. Alarm goes off. It's storming outside, and my brain instantly goes into negotiation mode. You don't have to go. Nobody's out there in this weather right now. Rainy days are good for sleeping in.
Well, here's the truth. Your brain will always try to sell you some bullshit, especially when growth is right outside on days like this.
Rain isn't the problem. The story you tell yourself about the rain is. Discipline isn't about motivation. It's about showing up on rainy days when your brain says it's okay to sleep in. That's where the wins are. So next time it rains, don't let the weather stop you. Tag somebody who needs to hear this today, and let's get after it together.